Hi, my name is Dr. Katie Sleigh with Sleigh Family Chiropractic, and today we're going to be talking about 3 stretches that will help with lower back pain. Low back pain is one of the most common things that we treat here in the office, and what we know is that patients get better when they do at-home care, which includes recommended stretches. So before I show you the stretches, just a little caveat, be sure that if you have pain with any of these stretches, you stop doing them immediately and talk with your healthcare provider or your chiropractor before proceeding. So the first stretch that we're going to do today is a hip flexor stretch. Your hip flexor is the muscle in the front part of your leg. That muscle goes from the front of your leg directly onto the bones in your low back. So when that gets tight, it oftentimes will pull on the low back and create lower back pain. So what you're going to do for the stretch is you're going to always keep your hips square. You're going to step back into a lunge sort of a stance. Again, make sure the pelvis is square. The back heel does not have to be on the floor. And what you're going to do is you're going to just come forward a little bit until you feel the stretch in the front part of the leg that's backwards. If you still can't feel it, you can arch backwards and that will get the stretch a little bit deeper. You're going to hold that stretch for about 15 to 20 seconds on each side and repeat that 3 times on each leg. The second stretch is called a press up. So this one we're going to perform on the floor. And what you're going to do is you're going to start on the belly and you're going to press up backwards onto your forearms and hold for a couple seconds and then release down. You're going to repeat this exercise about 20 to 30 times per day. Then the last exercise that we're going to do is called cat-cow. And this one's going to just get some good generalized motion into your spine, especially the lower back. So as you inhale, you're going to look upward and arch your lower back down toward the ground. And then as you exhale, you're going to arch your lower back up toward the ceiling. And then you're going to repeat that for about 10 to 15 times in each direction, and you can do that a couple times a day. I hope this helps and that you give these exercises a try. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop the questions below.